Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to send secret messages on BiP Messenger. Firstly, get up into chat section, then select a person site in which you're gonna get up and send that secret message. For example, this one. Now tap on your right upper side on the three dots, and here you're gonna be able to choose between all these setups. Now as you can see right here, you don't have that option to take off and get that secret message. This is why if you also tap on the name site, also here you're not going to be able to get up into that section. Now the real reason why, as you can see here on my site, it doesn't have it. As you can see right down, I have secret message and this button is turned off. I need just to turn it on, and I will go and apply, for example, for 3 seconds. Apply. Now if I go on it, now with this I'm gonna be available to get up and take that secret message. Now if I type something, it will be by secret message, in which it will disappear after 3 seconds. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.